Vanakkam. Uh, Today's topic is how we are living. Are we living our life at the present, and are we enjoying our life as we are living? That is a question. The question is, we are living now. We interact with the people, we talk to people, we have relation, we relate with each other, we do things, we participate in happenings and incidents. We do that. We continue to do our work, either in the home or in the office. All these things are all put together is living. Now we are now living. Everybody is living. All the people in this earth are all living their own life. But what is that living actually? What is happening? We are actually not living our life now. Really. We are really preparing for our next life. That is what we are living today. We are preparing for our next life. Our next life, how it will be designed, how we are going to live in our next life, is being planned by us now. Without our knowledge, without our, forethinking, we are now preparing for a life which we are supposed to, which we have to lead in our next birth. How is that possible? I am living now. Then how can we say it is, it's a sort of preparation for the next birth? It is very simple. It is very simple because whatever we speak now, whatever we do now, they are stored as part of our karmic memory. They are stored as part of our karmic memory. As we know, all our actions and speeches are being continuously recorded. And the effect which it creates, that is our speech or our action, the effect what it creates is recorded as an action which is bound to reflect as a reaction after, maybe in this birth or maybe in the next birth. An action, a reaction. So an action, when completed, it is recorded and it has got the potential to be a reflective or a reactive action in our next birth. That is the karma, the law of karma. So they are recorded, they are stored. So from that, what is inferred, what we can infer is, whatever I do now, it's a preparation for the next birth. Suppose if I do a good deed, and because of which people are benefited, now that gets reflected in my next life, where I reap whatever I have done as a good deed in the present birth now. There I reap. I sow here a good deed, I reap the benefit in the next birth. Or I do a wrong deed, then I reap that misery because of my bad deed done now. I reap the misery in my next birth. So what happens is, whatever I speak, by which I really sort of make the people, they get offended. If I offend the people, the mind is offended. They are ashamed. So that is an action for which a reaction is now kept ready for my next birth. That is why I say, whatever I speak now or whatever I do, they are reflected in the next birth. So effectively what happens is, I am not living my life now. I am only I am making preparations for my next birth. Day after day after day, this is what is happening. So there is it is a sort of preparation which now when I understand, yes, this is going to be the preparation for my next birth, then it becomes a warning signal for me to do good things and to speak only good and not to offend anybody's mind. Do not do anything which creates misery for other people, and do only things, good things, by which people are benefited. The people are benefited. That is what we are supposed to do. By this, our preparation, our the next birth is going to be good, happy, and healthy. That is the reason I say now whatever I speak now or whatever I do now is the preparation I am making for my next birth. Thank you.